Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to hollow out a rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. Create a new layer and select rectangle tool. Fill. Do not use fill color and stroke color black or red. Then hold shift or do not hold shift. Okay. And resize stroke. And step 2. Select a rectangle. Then press delete. Sorry. Create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I. And step 3. Again inserted a rectangle. I already inserted to this. Go to effects, blending option, stroke, fill opacity 0, stroke size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.